By God's divine will, the pure devotion of his devotees, and Maharaj's own divine resolve, Maharaj arrived at Shirur. Ambabai Shirur, Ambabai Murudeshwar, and Sadhu Subbaya Shetty welcomed Maharaj with immense love and devotion. Maharaj loved and respected Ambabai Shirur as his own mother. One day, Ambabai Shirur washed Maharaj's jholi and hung it out to dry on the river bank. At that moment, a Brahmin approached Maharaj seeking financial help for his son's Upanayana ceremony. Though the jholi was completely empty, Maharaj reached into it and took out 5 rupees, which he lovingly offered to the Brahmin. Witnessing this, Ambabai Shirur was filled with astonishment. "Maharaj, what did you give him from an empty jholi?" she humbly asked. Maharaj calmly replied, "I gave him exactly what he needed." Out of curiosity, Ambabai later asked the Brahmin what he had received. He revealed that Maharaj had given him the exact amount required for his son's sacred thread ceremony. Through this divine miracle, we learn that true charity should be offered selflessly without seeking recognition or praise. One day, Srimati Tulsi Bai invited Maharaj to visit her home. Smiling gently, Maharaj asked, "If I come to your house, what will you offer me?" With deep devotion, Tulsi Bai replied, "Maharaj, whatever you ask for, I shall gladly offer." A few days later, Maharaj visited her home. Overjoyed, Tulsi Bai welcomed him warmly and lovingly prepared his favorite dishes. Then Maharaj asked, "Can you bring me 2 fresh green chilies?" Tulsi Bai searched throughout her house but could not find even a single green chili. She even searched the marketplace, but green chilies were nowhere to be found. Deeply disappointed that she could not fulfill Maharaj's request, she returned to him with a heavy heart. Maharaj gently asked her, "Did you get the green chilies?" To which Tulsi Bai replied, "No, Maharaj, I did not." Maharaj then said to her, "Never say that you can give anything anyone asks for. That power belongs only to God." He then said, "Go and look in the space above the door. You will find 2 green chilies there." To her amazement, she found 2 fresh green chilies exactly where Maharaj had said. Tulsi Bai bowed at Maharaj's feet and sought forgiveness for her mistake. This divine miracle reminds us that believing we can provide everything is born of ego. The power to give everything belongs to God alone. At Shirur, Maharaj began the sacred Akhanda Bhajana Saptah, where devotional singing continued uninterrupted for 7 days and 7 nights. By his divine grace, this sacred tradition continues even today, observed by devotees with unwavering faith and devotion. Maharaj never tolerated discrimination or partiality. One day, while Maharaj was conversing with Sri Sarveshwar Bhatt, he asked a devotee named Timaya to prepare 2 cups of coffee. Timaya prepared coffee of different quality for Maharaj and Sri Sarveshwar Bhatt. The coffee served to Maharaj was of superior quality. Maharaj was fully aware of this. Soon after, Ambabai Shirur mixed both cups together and served the same quality of coffee to both. The message was clear. In Maharaj's eyes, everyone is equal. Neither caste, status, nor wealth matters. What matters is love, humility, and humanity. After this incident, Maharaj instructed Timaya to leave. Maharaj spread the message of devotion through plays and harikathas, touching the hearts of countless people. What divine incident took place during one such harikatha? Stay tuned for part 4.